Well, GMI is a wonderful plant biology institute. Maybe it's the only one in Austria and one of few institutes of the same similar size in Europe. We are proud that we had made this decision not to go into human, micro and molecular biology, to go into plant biology. I think it was the right decision.
The GMI and other small research institutes have an important role to play in the scientific community globally. They provide important environments for trainees to learn about doing science from experts in a particular area of science, as the GMI does. And I think they also offer scientists opportunities to do creative, innovative work that they might not have the chance to do elsewhere. They have a community of people that work together closely. They don't work on the identical problems, of course, but they work on problems that are related, so they can collaborate and they can explore areas of science that, might be off the radar for other people.
You want to utilize the curiosity and the creativity of as many people as possible, right? So you want to enable everyone to do their work. And so that has been basically our guiding principle, right? I mean, as director, I've always seen it as my role to create a sandbox, right, in which people can play. I don't tell them what to do. I give them the toys, right? And so that's what we do.
Please welcome on stage Jennifer Doudna.
The only thing that limits a young scientist at GMI today is their imagination.
I'm here to celebrate science with you because I believe very deeply in what Magnus said in his introduction, which is that it's really fundamental science and curiosity about our natural world that leads to breakthroughs.
The major difference between GMI now and 25 years ago is that we're encompassing much more diversity. We're examining fundamental processes from single-cell algae all the way to complex, large trees.
All these different type of peoples, they interact with each other at ice levels. If you can discuss at ice levels, I think this is the success of GMI and the culture of the GMI.
I was really surprised and overjoyed by how much creativity there is in science, and it certainly inspired me to do things in my music that I wouldn't have done otherwise.